let's do some functions sum of calculus now. Suppose there is a question like this: does the inequation y equals 2x plus 2x minus 9 represent y as a function of x, In calculus we learn the concept of function, which means that y as a function of x means what? Y depends on x. So that's how the function of x comes. And also they ask, find the domain. If so, find the domain and range of the function. Okay, so first our job is to find whether y is a function of x in this inequation y equals to 2x minus 9. Now this mathematical inequation y equals 2x minus 9 is such that the value of x is lying between minus infinity to infinity. Like this way we show, that means x is minus infinity less than x less than infinity. That means x can be any value varying from minus infinity to infinity, right? So we get a finite real value of y from here. If x is such, then we get a finite real value of y. Hence we can say that the equation here I said inequation, but it's not inequation, it's equation, sorry. This is equation y equals to 2x minus 9. So we get finite real value of y, right? Hence we can say that the equation y equals 2x minus 9 we can say the equation y equals 2x minus 9 represents y is a function of x. Function can be written in short form as fn dot. So y is function of x. Why? Because if x is any value, any real value between minus infinity to infinity, then y is also a finite real value. Then y is a function of x. Next our job is to find the domain and the range. So let me use another color here. Since the function y equals to 2x minus 9 is defined for every real value of x, since the function y equals 2x plus 9 is defined for every real value of x in minus infinity less than x less than infinity, Hence the domain of the definition of the function is minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Okay, so here we can understand that if x is defined, if y equals to 2x plus 9 is defined for every real value of x in minus infinity less than x less than infinity, hence the domain of the definition of the function is this only, this from where the x value is coming. And what about the domain? What about the range? Therefore, again, let's use another color. Again, y can assume any real value. Y can assume any real value in the domain of the definition, of the function. Therefore, the range of the function is minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Let me read it again for you. Again, y can assume any real value in the domain of the definition of the function. Therefore, the range of the function is also minus infinity less than x less than infinity. So in this problem, both the domain and the range are the same.